Scott Newcomb here, South Philly location manager of NextFab. We're home today, checking out my shops. Come on in. So one of the things I do in my spare time is I make video games. Currently using a program called Unity with coding C# and Photoshop. This is a project I've been working on for the past couple years. It's been quite the endeavor, but pretty rewarding. I've got a Stream Deck. This thing's great for doing hotkeys, quick variants for different programs. My Cintiq computer. This is primarily meant for drawing. I've got a couple different pens for it. They do different things, different purposes. My keyboard, well, you know what that does. My H1N mic, this is for sound effects. This is really great for on-the-go sound effects as well as just home record mic. Now that we've seen the computer lab, let's go check out the wood shop. Now that we're down here, I'm gonna ask you to not look over there. That's gross. We're gonna look over here. It's hard to do with the camera. My shop is really meant to do very small scale items. One of the things I've been playing with recently is learning how to make wooden lures for fishing. Let's see, some other ones. The crawdad. This is one of my own little fish. Upstairs, my tank, got my bandsaw, my drill press, my belt sander, UV chamber, and then my workspace. These things are great for sanding, tiny little nooks and crannies. Got my organizers, and a whole bunch of unfinished bits that will probably never get done. Thanks for checking out my home shop. Hope to see you over at NextFab soon. Stay safe, everyone.